What's up YouTube, it's Studio I Won the God of Souls. Today I'm going to be doing a custom on these Vans. I'm going to be doing the Sean Witherspoon colorway on them. I'm not the first person to do this custom, but I thought it was a nice colorway on the shoe, so I figured I'd go ahead and give it a try myself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right now. Alright, so to complete this custom, you're going to need some paint, fabric dye, and some paint brushes. The paint brushes you can find at Michael's Arts and Crafts. They're only like around $2 each. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing special about them. They're just the regular brushes that they have there. And then you need the shoe, obviously, and then like I said, the fabric dye. So I'm gonna go ahead and show the process right now. The first color I'm gonna put is just gonna be randomly. I'm not gonna go in like any specific order. It's just gonna be random or whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you that process right now. So right here I'm using the fabric dye to make the shoelaces. If you plan on ordering the fabric dye and want the laces to be like an exact match, I would suggest ordering 2 bottles so that way you get a third one for free. So that way you'll have enough fabric dye to do both shoes and also the laces as well. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna also use heat gun to go ahead and heat set them, and they'll be good after that.